This is a 10 by 10 shared kids bedroom. I needed to fit 2 beds, 2 desks, and make the most of every inch. The bunk bed handled the sleeping situation. This DIY built-in took care of storage, and it started with a dresser I was about to sell. In a room this small, you don't get to design around furniture. You work with one traffic pattern, in and out, and every inch has to earn its place. I went through a lot of layout iterations before I landed on this. Bunk bed in front of the window, built-in dresser and bookcase beside it. Once the layout clicked, I could focus on the build itself. I'd worked with IKEA Sektion cabinets before. I used them in our entry closet, so I knew I could build and trim out the upper bookcase. For the dresser portion, I could have just ordered IKEA's Max Mirror drawers. Simple, straightforward. But I had a 6-drawer dresser from our primary bedroom that I was about to sell. And then it occurred to me that maybe I could repurpose the dresser, just like I repurposed the beds for the built-in bunk bed. What if I removed the center panel and just used the 2 side sections to make a 3-drawer dresser? I'd taken apart enough ready-to-assemble furniture to think it might actually work. So I tried it, and it worked. I was honestly thrilled at how easily it came together. I have many ideas, and many do not execute as smoothly. The build itself is straightforward. I started by constructing a base for the dresser. Since the original legs were gone, I needed to bring it to standard height, somewhere between 30 and 36 inches. From there, it was securing everything to the studs, adding the upper bookcase, and trimming it all out so it read as one cohesive built-in. Before painting, I sanded and primed to make sure the paint would adhere properly. For paint, I used Sherwin-Williams Emerald Urethane Trim Enamel. In a kid's room, durability matters, and this paint has held up exceptionally well. Whatever paint you choose, follow drying times precisely. The finish needs time to fully cure if you want it to last. Combined with the bunk bed, this built-in completely transformed the room. More storage than we've ever had in here, space for 2 desks, and enough visual breathing room that it doesn't feel like a 10 by 10 room. If you're working through a similar challenge, a room that isn't quite cooperating, a project that feels just outside your budget, I hope this was useful, not just as a how-to, but as a reminder that the gap between what you want and what you think you can do is a lot smaller than it may seem. If you found this helpful, please subscribe. I have a lot more coming. Projects, DIYs, and an honest look at what it actually takes to build a home that feels intentional. Thanks for watching.